This is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to wipe the cache partition on your Samsung Galaxy phone, and this is very easy to do. Now I'm going to force turn off my phone so I don't have to enter in the pattern pin, and I'm going to hold down the power button on the side and then the volume down key. Then when my phone is turned off, I'm going to transition to the power button, the volume up key, and the third button, the bixby button right here. So let's go to the recovery mode now by holding down the power button and the volume down button. Then it will take a picture and your phone should turn off after about 5 seconds. When the screen turns off, we can go ahead and transition to the power button, the volume up button, and the third button, the bixby button, and continue to hold this down until we boot into the recovery mode. So my phone is restarting right now, and you may see like a little Android symbol on the screen, and then here's the recovery mode. Now we want to use the volume up and down keys to move to where it says wipe data, where it says wipe cache partition, and then you can select it with the power button on the right side here. So let's select wipe cache partition, select the power button, then go on down to yes, and on the bottom of the screen it will tell you when you wipe the cache partition. So let's go to yes, and wipe the cache partition is now complete. And we can go to reboot system now to restart our phone. So let's press this. And that is how you can easily wipe it without the pattern pin. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.